In this review, we take a closer look at the Qualirey Solar Sound and Light Alarm Motion Sensor, a two-pack outdoor security siren designed to deter intruders with a loud 129 dB alarm and bright strobe lights. This device is solar-powered and IP65 waterproof, making it suitable for farms, driveways, and home perimeters. The package includes two alarms, each measuring 2.72 by 2.91 by 4.72 inches. The motion sensor has a 125-degree detection angle and can pick up movement within 5 to 8 meters. Once triggered, it emits a 129 dB siren that can be heard from 1,000 meters away, along with 6 flashing LEDs visible from the same distance. This combination effectively warns off unwanted visitors. One standout feature is the 4 operating modes. You can set the alarm to be active 24 hours with sound and flash, 24 hours with flash only, nighttime only with sound and flash, or nighttime with flash without sound. This flexibility lets you customize security based on your needs. The build quality is robust with a stainless steel bracket and rugged ABS housing. The IP65 rating ensures reliable operation in harsh weather. Installation is straightforward, and the unit can be charged via solar panel or DC power. A full charge lasts up to 30 days of continuous operation. For best results, mount the alarm in an area that receives direct sunlight. The included manual makes setup easy. Overall, the Qualirey Solar Alarm is a cost-effective, low-maintenance security solution for remote areas like farms and driveways. The loud siren and strobe lights provide a strong deterrent, and the solar power eliminates wiring hassles. If you need an audible and visual alarm that works off-grid, this product is worth considering.